TGM, India's first ever online platform for the preparation of defense exams such as NDA, CDS and AFCAT. So are you preparing for upcoming AFCAT 2 2019? और क्या आपको इस एग्ज़ाम की complete details पता हैं? In this video, you will get a complete idea about the upcoming AFCAT exam, its stages, eligibility criteria, etc. So let's get started. So what is AFCAT exam? AFCAT, Air Force Common Admission Test, is an online test and entrance exam to get into Indian Air Force. It is conducted by Indian Air Force twice a year. जो पहली एग्जाम होती है which is conducted in the month of February, generally called as AFCAT 1 exam, while the second one which is conducted in the month of August called as AFCAT 2 exam. AFCAT exam is an all India exam and candidates from all over the country appears for it. Selected candidates are sent to AFA, that is your Air Force Academy situated at Hyderabad. तो आइए जानते हैं एग्जाम पैटर्न के बारे में AFCAT एग्जाम्स के. Now there are generally two papers, which is AFCAT and second is EKT. EKT is for the candidates with one of the choices as technical branch. तो AFCAT का जो पेपर होता है, it is consist of 100 questions, while EKT has 50 questions. AFCAT has 300 marks, time duration of 2 hours, while EKT has 150 marks with time duration of 45 minutes. Now the following table represents the sections. AFCAT has 4 sections, that is general awareness, verbal ability in English, numerical ability and reasoning. As I said, consist of 300 marks. और जो EKD होता है उसमें 3 sections होते हैं, mechanical, computer science, electrical and electronics, consist of 150 marks. तो आइए जानते हैं stages of AFCAT exam. तो AFCAT एग्जाम जो है बेसिकली 3 स्टेजेस में डिवाइड किया गया है, जिसमें से पहला स्टेज होता है रिटन एग्जामिनेशन. नाउ स्टेज 1 ऑफ AFCAT एग्जाम इज रिटन एग्जामिनेशन, जो ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम होता है और जो कैंडिडेट इसके लिए अप्लाई करते हैं दे विल रिसीव द एडमिट कार्ड अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 वीक्स बिफोर द कमेंसमेंट ऑफ एग्जाम. Now candidates who have qualified this exam are required to register themselves on which website? Career in indianairforce.cdac.in or fcat.cdac.in page. So in order to enable them to receive call-up for the second stage, that is your SSB interview, also called as AFSB interview. तो जो second stage होता है आपका वो होता है आपका AFSB interview, that is your SSB interview, which is also again divided into 2 divisions. एक होता है आपका OIR यानी कि Officer Intelligence Rating, and then second is PPNDT, that is Picture Perception and Description Test. Second subdivision is your Interview Group Testing Officer Task, Psychology Test and Conference. The third stage in AFCAT exam is basic your medical examination. In medical examination also, a candidate recommended by the SSB will undergo medical examination by Board of Service Medical Officer. Women candidate will undergo medical examination by medical board comprising of male or female doctors, specialist, gynecologist, and there will be a lady medical officer as a member of board. तो अब हम बात करते हैं एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया इस एग्जाम के लिए. तो सबसे पहले आता है नेशनलिटी. तो कैंडिडेट मस्ट बी द सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया. उसके बाद एज लिमिट की बात करते हैं हम. फर्स्ट इज अ फ्लाइंग ब्रांच. फ्लाइंग ब्रांच के लिए एज लिमिट होता है 20 to 24 इयर्स एंड द अपर एज लिमिट फॉर कैंडिडेट्स होल्डिंग वैलिड एंड करंट कमर्शियल पायलट लाइसेंस शुड हैव अ रिलैक्सेबल अप टू 26 इयर्स. सेकेंड है आपकी ग्राउंड ड्यूटी, कंसिस्ट ऑफ टेक्निकल एंड नॉन टेक्निकल ब्रांच, जिसकी एज लिमिट होती है 20 to 26 इयर्स. मैरिटल स्टेटस की अगर हम बात करें तो कैंडिडेट्स अंडर 25 years of age must be unmarried at the time of commencement of course. Widows, widowers and divorcees below 25 years of age are not eligible. A candidate who marries subsequent to the date of his application, though successful at SSB or medical, will not be eligible for training. A candidate who marries during the period of training shall be discharged and will be liable to refund all the expenditure incurred on him by the government. Married candidates above 25 years of age are eligible to apply, but during training period they will neither be told provided merit accommodation nor can they live with the family. अगर हम बात करते हैं एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशंस के बारे में, तो फ्लाइंग ब्रांच के लिए एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन आपका होना चाहिए the candidate must have passed minimum 60% of marks in each maths and physics at 10+2 level and graduation in any discipline from the recognized university of 60% minimum marks or equivalent, or PE or BTech degree which should be 4-year course from recognized university of minimum 60% marks or equivalent, or the candidate who have cleared the section A and B examination of associate membership of Institution of Engineers India or Aeronautical Society of India from the recognized university minimum 60% marks or equivalent. अगर आप ग्राउंड ड्यूटी में जाना चाहते हैं in the case of technical branch, then the candidate with minimum 60% marks in each physics and mathematics at 10+2 level and minimum of 4-year degree graduation or integrated post-graduation qualification in engineering or technology from recognized university. अगर आप ग्राउंड ड्यूटी नॉन टेक्निकल ब्रांच में जाना चाहते हैं, then the graduate degree is necessary minimum 3 years of the degree course in any discipline from a recognized university with minimum 60% of marks and equivalent. Thank you for watching guys.
अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें और शेयर करना मत भूलिए। सब्सक्राइब करें TGM चैनल को और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना मत भूलिए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।